Okay, so we are staying at the Double Tree Convention Center off of Harbor Drive. DisneyWorld, Disneyland is not too far away, but we're in room 715. Keep in mind, we got here and kind of unpacked a little bit before we got you out because you're in a nice little bag. Amber's over there getting all shower stuff ready. You know, you've been traveling with me for like 3 weeks now.
We just have a routine already.
I know. So here's the room. This is kind of like, I wonder if this is like one of the original hotels.
Yeah, I think it's older, but like it's hanging in there.
Yeah. So you walk in, when you walk in, you have your refrigerator, you got your microwave, coffee stand area, you have you got your closet. So you have your safe, your blankets, you have a laundry bag, hangers, typical closet. Close that where you. Amber's getting ready to watch some TV.
Is that what I'm doing?
I don't know. So your bathroom here. Just a generic tub. Nothing to write home about. I don't know. They don't have any. A lot of times they have like really nice soaps and shampoos and stuff. They don't have any, so I'm glad we brought our own. And that's the toilet and all that fun stuff. Then we come back out here to what really matters when you stay at a hotel. The bedroom. I think this is a king. I think it is. Not bad. Keep in mind, like when we stayed here last time, you can only set your AC down to a certain level, and they don't let you do anything. So this is all like, you think you're setting it low, but there's nothing happening. So it's all everything. So they kind of control it due to like the blackouts and rolling blackouts and all that kind of stuff. And then you have your nightstands, which don't have any USB. They're strictly plugged. So I hope Amber packed some chargers, because I totally forgot. You have a nice little chair. The view, let me tell you, the view is actually really good. Behind the camera, not in front but behind, that's where Disneyland is. Down this way is just more of the hotel centric area. So when you're staying here, if you're in the evens, that's how you are able to see the fireworks. TV looks like about 30-inch TV, but if you're staying this close to Disney, are you really coming here to watch TV? I mean, let's be honest, you're probably going to be going to the parks. I do like the desk area. It's pretty nice. Kind of generic and everything. Amber!
Huh?
Where are you at?
I'm here.
I kind of don't want to talk to you in the bathroom. It's kind of weird.
I know. I'm heading over there.
Oh, by the way, so if you are a Hilton Honors menu person, member, you get free cookies and you get water. The water, Evian, it's good water, but it's $5. $5.
At least there's plugs everywhere.
Yeah. Did you bring plugs? Or did you just bring USBs?
What about plugs?
Good.
I usually bring plugs.
See, hey, everyone get an Amber. So how are you thinking?
Like you said, yes, it's older, but it's nice. It's not bad at all. I mean, we're used, because you remember us, like we usually get upgraded, not all the time, which is totally fine. But like you were saying earlier, when you come to Disneyland or Disney World, how much are you really going to be in the hotel besides like maybe coming back for a nap and then sleeping at night? Who knows?
Right. Parking is $20 a person, or $20 a day. So, but this hotel literally is like a block away. So we're thinking we're probably just going to walk, because it's not that far.
Did you show them the view?
Yeah, I showed them the view.
how pretty it is?
Yeah, it's pretty.
You can't see fireworks.
You can't see fireworks. You have to be in the evens.
Copying everything that I was saying.
I'm agreeing with you. So,
Oh yeah, there's a Carl's Jr. and then we went right there.
So, this is our second trip here to Disneyland since I've been out here. Miss Amber, if you would turn around. Don't turn around. Oh, copyright. So, this is our second trip. The first trip was with our friend and his daughter. And we did very crappy in our vlogging because we were just so... Okay, in our defense, last time we had seen his daughter...
Let me turn around to you because the way that he's talking and then, like, you have it towards me.
So, his daughter, last time we saw her, she was... Well, to us, like here, but she was 4. And she's 16, a young woman.
She's big.
Yeah.
Not like...
No.
She's a young
big,
lady.
Yeah. We know what we meant. It probably sounds horrible. But since then, since our first trip, you guys have put us over a huge milestone. And we just want to say thank you. Like, honestly, it is amazing to be where we are at today. And it's all because of you guys. So, I don't know what else to say. I'm just like, I think we're shocked.
So we're at Disneyland. We don't know if we're going to do Universal.
No.
We don't know if we're going to do HHN. Or if we're just going to kind of hang out.
Right.
Unfortunately, we have plans, but some can fall apart. Oops. Some can fall apart. Or we go with them. We don't know what we're doing.
No. We are working on maybe a video because Amber did a lot of research for something that's really close. So we're thinking about doing that as well. But guys, if you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. I beat Amber to it. Yes.
Don't get too excited.
I know. Because we are Echo Child Ventures, and you guys know that because you are here to watch our room review.
Show that room.
Welcome to my room. We're at the Double Tree in Anaheim, the convention center, so not too far. Honestly, this is like 15-minute walk. Like 1 block away is Disneyland.
Because unfortunately we were going to stay at another hotel.
Yeah.
Somehow it got canceled.
Right, because somehow my old number was attached to it, but whatever.
And there's no rooms available, so we were like, oh no, what do we do?
I looked, I have enough points, so I'm like, alright, we'll stay here for free. So
considering that it's free, I still would have paid.
Oh yeah, this is a nice room.
And it's a lot closer, like you said.
Yeah. But guys, keep in mind, when you guys come to Hotel Central, some of them will have resort fees, some of them will have parking fees, some will just have one fee and it's for parking and resort regardless.
Some may have transportation that you may or may not have to pay either.
And keep in mind too, that some of these hotels, I'm not sure if this one is, I'll write it down below. Some of these hotels are part of the partnership program that Disney has for they call them the neighboring hotels, or good neighbor hotels. So just because they book up so fast, they have partnership with other hotels that you get extra magic hours. So
we'll have to research that.
I think so. But if this is one of them, then we'll add it below. But guys, thank you for stopping by. Enjoy this video, this B-roll that is starting now. So this is in the lobby for the elevators, and over here is where you would see the fireworks over in this area. You can actually see the pool from down here as well, and a whole bunch of hotels. Do you think Walt ever dreamed that these many hotels would be here when he set up Disneyland? I don't know, but it's pretty neat. Here's a lovely view from our room. As you can tell, there's not a whole bunch to look at, but it still is nice to see what you would be looking at if you are on the odd side of the hotel. Keep in mind, if you have Hilton Honors and you can choose your own room, do the even side, because that's what you guys want. I mean, to be able to see the parks and stuff. So, but all in all,
the other side where the fireworks are going off.
Yeah. So all in all, it's still not a bad view.
Look at the trees. The trees are a little bit turning for.
Yeah. All right, we're headed to the park. So this concludes our last weekend here in California. Actually, kind of surreal that we ended it at Disneyland.
I know.
You know, it's really kind of it's really cool.
It's nostalgic in a way because that's where I brought you for the first time.
Yeah.
12 years ago.
Actually, it was more than that because it was in 2006. Yeah.
So we'll just say 12 years ago.
After I got back from Iraq.
It was.
Actually, it was around this time frame too. Because I had gotten back in September. Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, because we have pictures of the pumpkins in the front and stuff.
Yeah. It was pretty cool because let's go back in time. I know this is the ending of our hotel review, but so we stayed at a Holiday Inn, not too far, and all that kind of stuff. And we used to go to the park. I think we were at the park for 2 days. I had no idea what the hell Disney was about. My first encounter with Space Mountain, we got halfway up to the queue. I was like, "This is a roller coaster?" Yeah, F this, and we left. So we've come along. I've come a long way. We've come a long way. It's crazy because 16 years ago, YouTube never existed, and I wonder what it would be like if we would have done it 16 years ago. Anyway, this hotel. I don't know how old this hotel is. Not that that's important. You do smell. You know that old smell when you walk into an old building. You do get that when you go into the lobby.
Yeah.
Not to say that it smells bad or anything. It's just kind of, it brings back that kind of flair from when Disneyland kind of came to existence. For being just over a mile away from the entry,
it's not bad at all. Not even for pricing. Brian did use his points.
There's 50,000 points.
How much a night?
It was between $220 and $260, depending on what kind of.
That's not too bad. Yeah. And then we're on the 7th floor, which is a really cool view as well. The only thing, of course, with it being an older building, when you're taking a shower and someone else takes a shower or like flush toilet, it's that water pressure. Yeah. So you're like showering, like, all right, cool. And then that's when you get like soap in your eye or something, and the water pressure goes down. Like, no.
Yeah.
That was the only bad. It wasn't like bad thing. It was just, it happens.
Right.
So I'd rather let you guys know ahead of time in case it does happen to you.
Yeah, and I don't know if it was the way the AC was, but when you're laying in bed, sometimes it felt like the bed was wet in a way, but
because of humidity, maybe.
Yeah,
and it was raining all day yesterday.
Yeah. But
the comfort, and then also the comforter is super thick.
Yeah. So if you sleep hot like I do,
you could bring your own blanket, but that might be more luggage and stuff. But just keep that in mind. There's 2 thin sheets as well that will help out.
So yeah, I mean Hilton uses down pillows, so if you're not used to sleeping with down pillows, it takes a lot of pillows to get comfortable sometimes. Amber's looking at her pillows like, yeah, it does. It does. I usually bring my own pillow when I travel, but we came here. But that's not the point. TV, only certain channels worked and other channels didn't work. Again, these aren't being negative. We want you guys to be fully prepared.
Especially if you're paying for what you're paying, you want to be aware of the things. I think what you're paying for is the convenience of being so close to Disney.
Exactly. Denny's across the street.
Amazing. I would eat there all the time.
It's the cleanest, nicest Denny's we've ever been to. The food was amazing.
Yeah.
the wait staff was just as impeccable.
great.
We left, and in the age of constant complaints, we asked for a manager, and so the manager comes over apprehensive, and we said, and I joking like, who made the food? And he's like,
the chef.
the chef. I was like, best food at a Denny's that we've ever had, bar none. And he's like, oh. He sigh of relief. He gave me a Google review card. He goes, hey, please file not a complaint, but put a compliment on the Google review. But here's your Google review. Definitely go to the Denny's right across the way from the Double Tree.
Yeah, from this hotel.
Yeah.
Because there's a couple Denny's, there's a couple IHOPs.
In your walk to the park, if you walk from here, you pass by 2 Denny's and 2 IHOPs. And we ate at an IHOP on the way back, and we're like, okay, cool. And then as soon as we walked 1 block, there was a steakhouse. I'm like, no, we could have had
And
steak.
then if we would have went further down by Target, there was a Raising Cane's.
Oh well. But honestly, guys, for being this close in less than a mile.
There's also a gas station literally right across the street as well.
And a Carl's Jr. right there too. Mm-hmm. But being this close, walkable distance, I know when you think of walkable distance, you're like, oh man, do I really want to walk that back? It's not a hard walk. It is strictly straight.
No, because like everybody's going at the pace.
Right.
So like if you're going in one big group, you will get there in no amount of time. Like it didn't take us very long. Maybe 15, 20 minute walk.
Right.
But if you're a power walker, of course it's going to be less.
That's not including stopping at each light crossing.
A little bit.
Yeah. But honestly, I mean, I know the concern is you walk all day long in the park, and the last thing you want to do is walk another half hour back. But like I said, it's not at an incline, it's not at a decline, it is strictly straight. But guys, this concludes, this hotel is really nice. It's a nice hotel for the convenience of being close to the park, like
the front desk is super cool.
Oh yeah.
The cookies are great.
Yes, they are.
That's for members. So become a member.
Yeah.
And subscribe.
Yes.
And like the video, like it. Don't dislike it. You want to like it.
Yeah, that.
And leave comments.
Yeah, for sure. Let us know if you guys ever stayed here, or if there's a whole bunch of hotels. Well,
or if you guys have questions.
Yeah.
Let us know as well. I'm most active on TikTok and Instagram. So yeah.
Yeah. But guys, that concludes our nice little room review. We hope you enjoyed. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.